Today I want to share with you guys a LibreOffice, a free Microsoft Word alternative. As you can see, it's compatible with the Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office 365 files, and it's backed by a non-profit organization. Make sure that you go to the official website. Always download it from here. I will put a link in the description, and always download it from that link because this is a virus-free and just a nice version to have it. It's official. So let's get started. Hit here download, and you can click here download LibreOffice, and over here you can choose your operating system. Is it Mac, Linux or Windows? I will go with Windows and just hit download. Wait for a few moments and save it on your desktop, for example, and wait for a few moments. As you can see, I already have over here my DOCX file that I can't open because I don't have a Microsoft Word. So we want to download this LibreOffice, and when it's downloaded, just double click on the icon and just go next. And if you go with a custom install, you can customize your installation. So go with a custom, hit next, and you can see user interface languages. Over here you can choose the language you want to install. Right now it's English, just the Estonian language, for example. This feature will be installed on your local hard drive. So choose your language if you want and click next. And over here, it will ask you what documents LibreOffice is allowed to open. So you can see Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft Visio documents. Make sure to enable everything here and hit next. And you can create a shortcut on a desktop. I don't recommend this load LibreOffice during the system startup. It will slow up your startup time, so you can always open it later. So click install. After installation is completed, click finish, and you will see your shortcut on your desktop. If you don't see it, go to the run and type in LibreOffice and start it from here. And over here on the left side, you can select, you can write a document, just like in a Microsoft Word, spreadsheet, presentation, and so on. So if I go write document, double click it, you can maximize this. You can write over here just like you write in Microsoft Word, close it, and now you are be able to open all your Microsoft Word files for free. If this tutorial was helpful, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more content like this, and you can also support me with the super thanks. It will be super awesome. Thank you, and have a nice day, and see you in the next one.